Hello students, in this video we are going to study 10 MCQs which are related to lesson number 3, agents of erosion. So first question is, if the stream or wind slows down, the carrying capacity will decrease and the particle size carried and deposited will also decrease. Definitely if the velocity of the stream is going to decrease or it is going to slow down, then definitely the energy which the stream has, that is going to decrease. If the energy is less, then definitely the carrying capacity will be less and the deposition process and the deposited will also decrease. No, the deposition process is going to increase. If the carrying capacity is going to be decreased, then what will happen? The stream is going to start depositing at those places. So this is false. Next question. Down cutting, also called downward erosion, is the process of hydraulic action that deepens the channel of the stream. Whenever the down cutting type of erosion takes place, it starts deepening the channel itself. So it makes the channel more deeper. So it is basically an hydraulic action. So this is true. Next question. The moraines deposited at the sides of the wall are called as dash. So options are long moraines, end moraines, medial moraines and lateral moraines. So the answer is lateral moraines. Next question. Water or snow enters the cracks in the rocks and makes it weak. And when the glaciers pass on these rocks, it pulls the rocks at the bottom along with it. This process is called as dash. So basically you have plucking, abstraction, attrition and transportation. So in the case of plucking, we know that the glaciers or water, they directly come into the contact with the rock material and they start weakening the rock and they start removing the particles out of it. So basically we can say that this is a plucking process. Next question. Sometimes the river starts erosion upstreams, and this happens when the head stream gets a lot of water in the early stage of river flow. So whenever the erosion that takes in the opposite direction of the flow of water, so basically it starts eroding the head of that river, then we call it as the headward erosion. Next question. Soft rocks erodes beneath the hard rocks due to the sea waves, and this results into the landform which further develops a sea arc, and the landform is called as dash. So basically when the erosion is done because of sea waves, the soft rock it gets eroded fast, as it is soft and it is more weak. So because of that it gets eroded fast, and the hard rock, it remains as it is. So basically that particular rock gets converted into a sea arc, and we also call this landform as sea cave. Next question. The landform develops due to the depositional work of wind. The windward slope of this landform is gentle. So the options are low plains, barcans, seaf and sand hills. So in this the answer is barcans. Next, river glaciers, wind, sea waves and groundwaters are the agents of erosion, and following work in correct order is responsible to form various landforms. So there are so many orders which are given here, but the right answer is option D, because first process is what? Disintegrating, breaking the rock. Then is what? To pick up the material. Then after picking up, carry it from one place to another place, that is transportation, and finally is your deposition. So this is only the correct sequence, like disintegrating, then picking up, then transporting it and then depositing it. Next question. Stalactites and stalagmites often continue to grow and may meet to form a column of. So basically because of large amount of calcium deposition, calcium carbonate deposition, the stalagmites, they are created at the ceiling, and stalagmites, they are created at the base. So at a certain moment, both of them, they meet each other and they form a pillar. Next question. The structure growing from the ceiling is called as. So the options are stalactites, moraine, stalagmites and pillars. So basically, in the case of work of groundwater, because of deposition of calcium carbonate, that is CaCO3, so the deposition which occurs at the ceiling, that is called as stalactites. So this is the right answer. So this is all about the assignment number 5, which is based on